Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with another video which is about notice writing. So let's get started. First of all, let's discuss the purpose of writing a notice. It gives specific information in a concise manner. It states only the relevant points. It is complete in terms of who has notified the information, the date on which the notice was released, and in specific cases what needs to be done, etc. The language used is formal yet simple so that the intended message is clearly conveyed. A notice has a standard format and it should be in a box or enclosure. The heading of the notice should always be written in capital letters. Sometimes notices are given a catchy heading. Notice writing topics: competition or an activity, excursion, trip, educational tour or a picnic, lost and found notice, celebration, function or inauguration notice, exhibition notice, camp, example blood donation camp notice, any event, drive, information to be issued in public interest. Now let's see the format of the notice. First of all, we write the name of school, college, institution, club name in capital letters. Then we write notice in capital letters, then the date, then the title or the heading of the notice in capital letters. Then in the content we write all the students or the members are hereby informed that our school, college, club has decided to organize or celebrate or hold program, function, festival name. So here we mention the date, the time, the venue. For further details please contact the undersigned. Here above the name we do the sign, then we write the name and its designation. This is the notice to tell about an event. Now let's see another type of notice. Here we only tell about the content. Let's look at an example. So the question is, your school has invited a renowned educationist, Dr. Saluja, to conduct a workshop on 22nd July 2021 for students to learn about the time management and punctuality. Draft a notice of not more than 50 words to inform the students of classes 8th to 10th to attend the workshop. You are Ankita or Ankit, the head girl or head boy of Bright School, Delhi. Now let's see the answer to this question. First we will write Bright School, Delhi in capital letters. Then notice in capital letters. Then the date when the notice is drafted, 7 July 2021. Then the heading, workshop on time management and punctuality. Then the content. This is to inform the students of classes 8th to 10 that the school has organized a workshop by a renowned educationist, Dr. Saluja. The details are given below. The date is 22nd July 2021. Time 9 o'clock am to 10 am. Venue, Zoom session. Topic, time management and punctuality. Guest speaker, Dr. Saluja. Participants, students of classes 8 to 10. The Zoom link will be shared a day before the workshop. Attendance is compulsory. For further details or queries, contact the undersigned, Ankit or Ankita. Ankita head boy or head girl. If you are a girl, you can write like Ankita. The name is Ankita and head girl only. And if you are a boy, you can write like this: Ankit, the name Ankit and head boy. Thank you. Like my video, share it and also subscribe to my channel. For latest updates, press the bell icon.